Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. It's going to be a milky day.
We're here at the Mayfield Dairy Factory.
We're going to Mayfield.
What?
Life's all about adventures, isn't it? You got to take time to do the cool stuff. There's Maggie number 4.
Maggie the cow!
Who is it?
Maggie the cow!
So when you arrive at Mayfield, you park in the visitor parking. Do not park in the reserved parking for Maggie. And you come around here to the visitor center. Let's go check it out. We'll walk right up to the counter and get some ice cream. Wonder if that's the real Maggie. Well, a statue modeled after the real Maggie. A dairy cow typically produces 7 gallons of milk each day. Wow. If you like Mayfield milk, it's in all these states. So we can't take any photos or videos of the tour, but we're still going to take the kids and enjoy it.
For over 100 years, Mayfield has been providing wholesome, farm-fresh dairy to Southern families. And although times have changed, the approach remains the same. Produced out Mayfield. To kick things off, a quick trip down memory lane.
A dairy farmer in East Tennessee. My farm was founded by my dad Randy and his brother Lynn in 1984. They started out with 25 cows, and today we're milking about 900, and the farm is run by myself and my husband Chad.
So these are the flavors that come free at the tour, or $1.10 extra, you can upgrade to anything. Would you like cherry grape or
I'm
what?
getting the Super Cow. This is Super Cow. Oh yeah. It's some good ice cream in there, buddy. Good?
Good ice cream.
Say it's great.
It's great.
Yum, yum. Moo. The Mayfield Dairy Visitor Center is a great place to go. Take your kids, your grandkids, enjoy the factory tour. Wow. See you, Maggie. We had a blast today at Mayfield Dairy Farms. Wow. Thanks for joining us today on our little tour of Mayfield Dairy Farms. Remember to get out and find your own adventure. Sometimes it's just down the street. Do a factory tour. Visit some local companies. Check a park out. Go hit a state park. Take the grandkids and have some educational afternoon time. See you in the comments. Adios.